Bitcoin price prediction, hit $64,000 on U.S. economic slowdown, rate cut hopes. Arslan Butt last updated, May 7, 2024 447 EDT 5-minute read. Bitcoin failed to continue its upward trend despite multiple supporting factors, such as a bearish US dollar and a dovish stance from the Federal Reserve. BTC lost some of its gains, dropping to around $63,400 and hitting an intraday low of $62,861. Although Bitcoin began the week on a bullish note after dipping to a low of $56,000 last week, it surged to $64,000 on Monday, spurred by a cooler-than-expected U.S. April jobs report. The report suggested a slowing economy, which could lead to reduced inflation and lower interest rates. However, the increase in price was short-lived as BTC edged lower on Tuesday, possibly due to cautious sentiment ahead of a speech by Neel Kashkari, the president of the Federal Reserve Bank of Minneapolis. If his comments take a hawkish tone, signaling a stricter approach to interest rates, it could strengthen the U.S. dollar and negatively impact BTC. Marathon Digital soars 18%, a beacon in Bitcoin mining amid market uncertainty. Marathon Digital Holdings, a prominent player in the Bitcoin mining sector, recently witnessed an 18% surge in its stock price to $20.67, elevating its market capitalization to nearly $800 million. This significant increase followed the announcement that Marathon would be included in the S&P Small Cap 600 index, underscoring its rising prominence within the cryptocurrency mining industry. Key points: Marathon Digital stock jumps 18%, market cap approaches $800 million. Inclusion in S&P Small Cap 600 highlights its growing industry importance. The company introduces an executive bonus plan to tie leadership gains to shareholder interests. Despite Marathon's stock success, Bitcoin itself has shown bearish trends, trading around $63,200, which reflects a complex sentiment in the broader market. This contrast suggests that while individual companies may thrive, the overall cryptocurrency market remains cautiously optimistic or mixed. Second stalls on Ethereum ETFs while investment soars in Bitcoin options. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission SEC has postponed its decision on approving Ethereum exchange-traded funds ETFs once again, extending the review period for Galaxy Invesco's application by an additional 60 days to July 5. This delay continues a trend seen in earlier postponements affecting major financial players such as BlackRock and Fidelity, casting doubts on a near-term approval due to ongoing regulatory uncertainties. Analysts are increasingly skeptical about the likelihood of Ethereum ETF approval in the current climate. Key points: SEC defers Ethereum ETF decision, extending Galaxy Invesco's review to July. Historical delays for major applicants like BlackRock and Fidelity enhance regulatory unpredictability. In contrast, significant investments in Bitcoin ETFs, such as Hightower's $68.35 million, highlight a diverging confidence level between Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs. While Ethereum faces regulatory hurdles, investment in Bitcoin ETFs is on the rise, with firms like Hightower directing substantial capital towards them, underscoring a stronger market confidence in Bitcoin. This trend suggests that the market may be favoring Bitcoin over Ethereum amid these regulatory uncertainties, potentially influencing Bitcoin's price positively in the near term. Anticipated Fed rate cuts propel Bitcoin demand amid weakening dollar. The recent U.S. job market report has heightened expectations that the Federal Reserve may cut interest rates later this year, leading to a softer U.S. dollar and increased attractiveness of Bitcoin. Richmond Fed President Thomas Barkin supports maintaining current rates to manage inflation, while New York Fed President John Williams suggests potential rate reductions as early as September or November. Markets now forecast a total reduction of 46 basis points by 2024, signaling a shift towards a more accommodative monetary policy. This anticipated easing has consequently bolstered Bitcoin's appeal as a hedge against currency devaluation, driving up demand and potentially its price. Key points: anticipation of Fed rate cuts weakens the dollar, enhancing Bitcoin's appeal. Potential rate cuts could total 46 basis points by 2024. Increased Bitcoin demand may lead to higher prices. This growing interest in Bitcoin, spurred by the prospect of lower interest rates, underscores its role as an alternative investment during times of monetary easing, possibly leading to a sustained increase in Bitcoin's market value. Bitcoin price prediction on Tuesday. Bitcoin price prediction seems bullish. The cryptocurrency is currently trading at $63,535, marking a 0.59% increase. The asset now hovers above its pivot point at $63,002, suggesting a Potential bullish trajectory. Immediate resistance levels are identified at $65,512, followed by $67,331 and $69,441, which BTC needs to breach to sustain upward momentum. Conversely, Bitcoin finds immediate support at $60,928, with further support levels at $58,927 and $56,625 that could provide stabilization in case of a decline. The 50-day exponential moving average, positioned at $62,631, aligns closely with the pivot point, reinforcing support for potential upward movement. Bitcoin price prediction. Source: TradingView. Key points: Bitcoin's immediate resistance at $65,512. Breaking this could confirm continued gains. Support established around $60,928, crucial for short-term stability. Bullish trend likely if BTC maintains above $63,000. Risks of sharp sell-offs if it falls below. In conclusion, Bitcoin shows signs of a positive trend as long as it remains above $63,000. However, a drop below this critical level could trigger significant selling pressure. You might also like Bitcoin price prediction 2024. Secure early advantages with the 99 Bitcoins per sale. 99 Bitcoins, a leader in digital education, is transforming the way users learn about cryptocurrency through its Learn to Earn platform. Participants can enhance their knowledge while earning $99 BTC tokens, effectively growing both their expertise and their investment portfolios. The current per sale of $99 BTC tokens is catching the attention of savvy investors, offering an enticing entry price for early participants. Exclusive early access to 99 Bitcoins. This per sale presents a rare chance for early investors to secure $99 BTC tokens at a competitive price of 103 cents each. These tokens are not just a reward mechanism but also provide access to premium content and additional perks within the community. Act fast. Limited time offer to date. The per sale has amassed $1,012,568, progressing towards a goal of $1,711,230. With just over 3 days left until the next pricing stage, this is a pivotal moment to invest in $99 BTC and start benefiting from immediate staking opportunities. Secure your 99 Bitcoins today. Follow us on Google News. Disclaimer: crypto is a high-risk asset class. This article is provided for informational purposes and does not constitute investment advice. You could lose all of your capital.